Good morning guys, what's up? I'm Vishal. Today I'm going to review about my future project. So let's go ahead guys. As I have already done this video, but some people have facing some of the issue that they can't listen the voice properly. So I have made another video for you guys, those who have problems while listening. Most probably the audio was a little bit low on that, while this video has enough. Let's go ahead guys. First talk about the general. I'm going to release this phone with the 3G as well as a 4G network, and it has a micro SD SIM slot. If you can look at it, let me show you guys. So there you see the micro SD SIM slot right here, below the power button. Yes, here it is, the micro SD SIM slot. And coming to the dimensions, most probably people are thinking that we can operate with one hand, so which is not possible. Why? Because it's have 5.5 full HD screen, which is not possible with operate with one hand, while you can operate uh, swiping around the screen. So it's not like the 4-inch or 4.2-inch to operate within one hand. It has almost 5.5, which is same as Galaxy Note 3. So let's go ahead with a screen. Most probably this screen comes with Super AMOLED Plus with the 16 million colors, and coming to resolution, 920 into 1080p resolutions of pixel density of 410. Might be a release with the 410. And it doesn't comes with any touch wiz or else my own touch wiz, like the Samsung, which released with their own touch wiz and make their phone very slow. And you can also get the benefit from it, like the technology that he used was really amazing now. So if you want one thing, you have to lose other thing, like in the Samsung, which you have been seen, even though he released the Note 3, even the Galaxy S5, which has a little bit lag over it, even though he has used the high-end technology and also the high-end hardware. Though it has been used high-end hardware, it has a little bit lag. So I don't want to use any of those things. Need to customize my own touch, which I just don't have any plans relating to that. So, and which comes with the Super AMOLED Plus and 1080p display, as well as a 416 pixel density. And also, and coming to the sound, there are vibration MP3 wave ringtones, and also the loudspeaker, which was embedded backside, and you can see that. Yes guys, this is the loudspeaker, and it also has a little subwoofer inside embedded it, so that it can produce a great audio. So this is the speaker guys. Okay. It has a multi-touch. You can operate with even 10 fingers. You can test uh, with any software after releasing this. Oh my god, you pray to God that let my project will be success. And okay, it has come with a 3.5 jack, though it was looking a little bit smaller, but I'm unable to create a good design. So this is at last what I got. This was 3.5 jack, which you can connect to earphones and speakers and whatever you want to connect. Uh, Coming to GPRS Edge, and sorry, I forgot to say that memory card slot. I have removed the micro SD slot. Why? Because we experience a lot of virus by memory cards in setting that, and even Trojan. So it will make the mobile phone very slow. Most probably Android is usually get the more virus. So if you have any micro SD slot, and there is more chances of acquiring the uh, virus. So I want to remove it for the people who intend to have the more space, like they want the games and also the high storage, like movies, serials they used to be on. So for the people, you need to go for the 64 gigabytes, and it comes with three models. One is 16 GB and 32, as well as the 64 GB. For the people who need more space, just go for 32 or 64. If not 16, you can also stay with that. And and my own opinion, most of the people will settle with 16 gigabytes, as this is only my opinion, but there are a lot of people out there, they have different tastes, so they can go with their taste. um, and if you come speed, it has HSDPF 42.2 Mbps, as well as HSPUPF 5.6, as well as LTE Cat 3. and 50 Mbps which can come with, and it does have the Wi-Fi also. Even most probably every Android device has Wi-Fi. So I'm going to use that Wi-Fi 8 not to 0.11 BGN per BGN, and that's it. And it also has a Wi-Fi hotspot, and coming to the Bluetooth, it also Bluetooth, and most probably you can also get the NFC as you see in the back side. Um, this NFC near field communications. With this you can with this you can do the online process, like buying or selling things, online transactions which you can do with the NFC. So okay guys, and let's come to the USB. It has a micro USB slot which has 2.0 MHL, and also USB OTG on the go, so you can connect your hard drives, a 6-axis controller, I mean joysticks as well, and like that extra whatever you want to connect. Even you can connect with the keyboards, mouse, and whatever the stuff you want to, just like you can do. And also it has the 13 megapixel camera backside, you can see, which was embedded with the Exmor or sensor which can exhibit the beautiful pictures. And it also has a flashlight, besides that a powerful flashlight. and and coming to the futures, it has the dual shot simultaneous HD recording, and also the panoramic mode as well, and geo tagging, touch focus, face and smile detection as well. This video will have 4K recording. It means that you people might know that it comes with the 1080p video recording, but it comes with the 4K, which means that almost 4000 pixels while recording a sample. A video could take much amount of memory, so it was a really best future for it. It has been the basically you won't see this option in Nexus 5 and iPhone 5s right now, but we can expect that in future. You most probably you can see in Galaxy S5 with 4K recording, and also there is a secondary primary cam with the 2 megapixel with 720p camera, so that people can do the video chatting. uh, okay guys, and the OS, coming to OS, which comes with a KitKat. I hope that it comes with KitKat version, that is latest right now, and I just don't know, whatever the latest on the market will be there, will be inside this thing. And and the chipset, and most probably you can expect that what kind of chipset is to be used. Okay, I'm planning that the Qualcomm Snapdragon 801 processor should be there inside it. Why? Because it can expect a beautiful performance as well, and it also comes with the 3 GB of RAM, no compromisation of that. And and it consists of quad-core Qualcomm 801 processor of 2.5 gigahertz, with the GPU of a PowerOver SGX 544 MP3, which has the same GPU as iPhone 5s, which can exhibit a beautiful graphics, and you people can enjoy a lot. You can do a lot of enjoyment of playing those games, of ISD games. And sensors coming to accelerometer, gyroscope, barometer as well, temperature, humidity, and also the gestures and messagings and browser like things. And it was a really beautiful screen, as I have said, that Super AMOLED, and this not even LCD, it's LED, full HDB with display and micro SD slot as well. And if you see if you look at from one side, I'll just show you guys the phone will look like this. So there are the soft keys. These are the soft keys which I have to show now. Why? Because I have highlighted these keys. Why? Because if I don't show like this and you unable to recognize this as the soft keys, so I've just designed the soft keys so that you can see that. And guys, that's it. And this phone will be releasing in all countries, basically most probably in India. Why? Because I just don't understand, in the whole world, the India stands as second at smartphone sales, while the China has been placed in first, then after India. And why the companies are refusing to release in India, I just don't understand. And this is why I have to release this phone in India as well as the other countries. Most probably you see that. So most probably in India, if you want a budget phone, you need to sacrifice some other thing. Just like if you have got suppose 12,000, 40,000, you need to sacrifice some other thing like what we say like RAM coming in half GB, like 512 MB, and most probably if the RAM is 1 GB, then you might get dual core, and if it was dual core, then you can get RAM 1 GB, like that. And there's no appropriate reason why they took off all these things, and budget is all should also concern also, that is why they have been taking, and you need to compromise something or other thing else while expecting budget. But coming to this one, you won't need to sacrifice anything else. Why? Because I'm going to release it uh, with 15,000 and also 20,000, while 20,000 will have the LTE, and 3G version will have 15,000, and also there are a little sacrifices for 15,000, like you will get 2 GB of RAM, that is enough for 15 GB, and also the same specs as well, and while you 13.2 megapixel for 16 20,000, that is L40 LT 4G LTE version, while you can get a 12 megapixel with 15,000, that is 3G version. And there are only a little sacrifices comparing to 4G, but I almost think that it has almost same performance as I have. I'll do the quad range benchmark test after releasing it. Just don't get any to hesitate, guys. It's almost same performance which delivers as 4G. 4G version. New people might think that 4G could get extra features. Of course, it has got some extra. Why? Because you see that it has to be make sense by releasing two models. That you think that what is the point of releasing only with the LTE for 20,000? People might ask like that. So I have taken some of the technology on 15,000, but almost you can enjoy that a lot, and there are no huge compromises. And so this is it, guys, my future project. I want you to review this, and in case if you have any doubts or any suggestions if you want to give me, you can give. uh, so guys, this is it. Most probably if you have any questions, please comment below in the comment section. I'll just try to answer those questions. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm Vishal. Thank you, guys.